Mama's hungry. I don't know what happened. Somebody took the food bowl that I left here, but thankfully someone else left this little plastic bowl here, so she's got something to drink out of and eat the food out of. Yeah. How you doing today, Mama? You doing okay today, Mama? Oh, good girl. You're awfully hungry. Here, let me put some more. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. There you go. You are awfully hungry today. How are you today? Here, do we need to get this closer? Where's the best place for your food bowl? Is that better? Yeah, I know. You're a sweet girl. Okay. Whoop. There's a little piece of fruit there. Let me put that in the bowl. Mama, I don't think those are going to hatch. You've been sitting on them for a long time.